Hello everyone. So let's understand what is the meaning of superfluous. Superfluous means more than what is required or needed. So there are some words which do not require not in it. So it makes the sentence superfluous. So let's understand which are those words one by one. Now the first one is avoid using not in the following words as I told you earlier. So the first one is until. Until, prohibit, unless, without, rarely, but for, hardly, deny, scarcely, forbid, seldom, barely, and least. So if you are using not in it, because it already comprised not word in it. So the meaning itself means not is there in the meaning. So hence, don't use not with these words. So let's understand through examples here. I'm going to give you two examples here. The first one is he did not deny that he had not stolen my watch. He did not deny. So after the helping word not is already mentioned here. So deny itself comprised the meaning not, that he had not stolen my watch. So cut short to cut shorted. So we will change not stolen into stolen here. So it will become like this. He did not deny that he had stolen my watch. I hope you have understood this. Let's take the second example. Unless you will not work hard. Unless you will not work hard, comma is there, you will not succeed. You will not succeed. This is one sentence and this is the second part of the sentence. So will not work, you can cut short it into work. So unless you work hard, you will not succeed. So unless you work hard, you will not succeed. So remove will not from there and it will not work into work. So I hope you have understood. There are many more sentences where you don't require the word not. I hope you have understood this. I will come up with some more exercises and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.